I'm Julia.
Hey, I'm Danica, the Director of Outreach, and for today's activity, we'll be making art using string. This activity will involve learning about geometric shapes and can be done fairly easily.
For this activity, you will need corrugated cardboard, toothpicks or nails or tacks, a pair of scissors, colorful string or yarn, and tape. Glue is optional, and if you want to make your own designs, some type of drawing utensil would be helpful too. You could also print out one of our templates found on our website to help you get started.
We'll be using toothpicks, so for a pair of scissors, cut them in half or shorter, like so. Put one end against a table or surface to avoid it from flying away. Be careful when doing this, and if you're having trouble, ask an adult for help. The first step is to create your own drawing or choose a template. This can be any basic image or shape. I'll be using a template.
I'll be drawing my design. After you finish sketching it out on a separate sheet of paper, draw dots around the outside of it. This will show you where to put your toothpicks.
Use a piece of tape to hold either your drawing or the template in place on the cardboard. Then, start pushing toothpicks or a sharp object into the dots to make holes.
The number of toothpicks you'll need for your design depends on its size and how far apart you want the string to be.
Now that we've made all the holes, remove the paper from the cardboard. Place the toothpicks back in. Use glue to make sure they're standing securely.
Then, make a slip knot like this. Place the loop over one toothpick and tighten the knot by pulling on the tail, like so.
To make the border of your design, move the string to one of the toothpicks next to the starting one. Loop the string around the toothpick once, and continue to do this all the way around the border.
Once you have reached the starting toothpick again, you can either be done or stretch the string across the image and loop it around any toothpick. Continue to do this to get a picture filled with shapes.
When you are finished and happy with how it looks, tie the string around the toothpick and glue it into place.
Your string art is complete. Look at the shapes and angles the string makes. How many shapes can you name?
Get creative and use different colored string. Draw a background for your design. Or try adding more or less loops. The great thing about this activity is that there's so many options to choose from.
Here are a few we've made.
Julia, what makes something geometrical?
Something is geometrical if it relates to geometry, which has to do with lines and shapes. Geometrical designs are found in buildings, wallpaper, and much more. We hope you enjoyed following along with us as we made interesting pieces of art today.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to send us photos of your artwork and check out our other videos. Let us know your thoughts down below on our website or at projectremote.cmps@gmail.com.